What's up, guys? Got a quick update for you. Wanted to show you homemade wheelie bar I made. Believe it or not, I just used some old strip spur gears. Left the bearings in them. Made it so it's adjustable. It's got 3 screw slots, depending on what tires I'm using. I got monster truck tires on right now, obviously. But if I go to the street tires, which are a lot smaller than these, just adjust the wheelie bar height. If I want to do some drag racing. So just want to give you guys some options. Don't throw away your old broken spare parts. You never know if you can repurpose them or not. You're throwing money away. Or you can just go out and spend 20 or 30 bucks on a new wheelie bar. It's functional. Might not be pretty, but it's functional. Function over form. That's how I am. So I'm gonna give you guys a video of it functioning. You can see how it operates. Appreciate you watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'm gonna show you some more money saving tips, so you didn't go chasing parts, throwing money away when you can make some of them yourself. All it takes is a little fabrication skills. Make sure you smash that subscribe, share, and like button. Thanks for watching. T-Rock out.